I'm Hassa with WTI, and who doesn't love a good snack in the afternoon when you're craving for something sweet? Well, these almond chewy granola bars from Nature Belly are the sweet and salty nuts, and I am in love with these ones because they come with all of my favorite nuts. I am the kind of person who likes granola bars only if it has lots of nuts in them. And I love these ones especially because they are really easy to pack in case you're going anywhere. Let's say you didn't have time to have lunch and you know that you're gonna be hungry later. Well, I grab one of these all the time just to make sure I don't have to buy anything in the street, so I have something for sure in my purse. The size is just perfect because I put it in my smallest bags and it fits just right. And again, when I don't have time to make breakfast and I have to run and rush in the morning, with one of this, I'm just fine. It's just like a small breakfast. So if you guys are almond lovers or nuts in general, well, these granola bars are gonna be just great for you. They're really tasty. Trust me, I want you to try them. And yeah, that's my point of view.